Welcome friends. So today we are going to solve a trigonometric problem which involves some properties of quadratic equation, logarithms and exponential functions. So as you people can see, I have already written the problem on the screen, so give yourself a try at first and then come back to see the solution. So okay, let's begin. So as you people can see, there is an infinite series of sine square x. So let's start with the sum of the infinite series. So the infinite series follows like this, and it simply goes on to infinity. So it is an infinite GP series, and if you have to make a sum of it, so what will be the first term? The first term is sine square x, so it is here, and it is 1 minus sine square x, right? So it becomes sine square x divided by cos square x, which is tan square x. So now this whole exponential things becomes quite simple, that is e to the power tan square x into log e base 2. By using logarithm properties we can write it like this, say 2 to the power 10 square x, right? Now as this whole thing is in the power of e, so applying the properties of e and logarithm we can simplify it as these things. And now we are given that this 2 to the power 10 square x is the solution of this quadratic equation, x square minus 9x plus 8 equals to 0. So what are the solution of this quadratic equation? See, the solutions are something like this: x minus 1 into x minus 8 equals to 0. So the two solutions are simply x equals to 1 and 8. So it is possible that the 2 to the power 10 square x will be 1 or 8 if 2 to the power 10 square, sorry, if 2 to the power 10 square x equals to 1, we can write 1 equals to 2 to the power 0. It gives us what? 10 square x equals to 0, and it gives x equals to 0. It is impossible. It is impossible since we have already known that x is non-negative, so it is impossible. So the other option is 2 to the power 10 square x equals to 8, and we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. This gives us that 10 square x equals to 3, and it results as simply tan x equals to root 3, right? As x lies in the first quadrant, so we omit the negative sign. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the value of this little creature sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. So let me write it. If we make some little adjustment, it will become like tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 1, and the simple little arrangement is we divide both the things by cos x. The value of tan x is root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So now if you make it, simplify it, then it will become something like, it will become root 3 minus 1 square and root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, so it is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it results as something root 3 minus 1 a whole square divided by 2. So it is our required value.